This. Oh.
So actually, our lesson for today is addition of the similar fraction. So when we say the similar fraction, those are fraction having not the same or different denominator. So for example, we have this one. We have 1/2
36.
plus 2/3. So we have two ways, anak, for us to add this. First is using the LCD. So what is an LCD? That is what we call as the least common denominator.
Please.
LCD. The least
Cube.
common
It's mine. It's me.
denominator. So how are we going to
That I
answer
love
this
food.
one? So first, we need to skip count, okay? So for
Okay.
example, we have to skip count 2. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and then etc. And then this is the denominator of our first fraction, and then the denominator of the second fraction is 3. Again, you need to skip count 3, 6, 9, 12, etc. So what is the same number that you can see in 2 and 3?
Uh,
The same number, anak, that you can see in the skip counting of 2 and then the skip counting of 3. What is the same number that you can see here?
6.
6. So this is what we call as the least common denominator. So this is 6.
Oh.
Okay? And then afterwards, we need to divide it with the denominator of our first fraction. So what is 6 divided by 2?
It's 3.
Okay, and then you multiply it with 1. That is 3 times 1,
3.
3. And then addition symbol. And then again, 6. What is 6 divided by 3?
6 divided by 3 equals 2.
Okay, very good. Times 2. What is 2 times 2?
4. 4.
4. And then since we already have here what we call as the similar fraction, you just
Number.
copy the denominator. Okay, copy the denominator and then you add the numerator. 3 plus 4. So what is 3 plus 4, anak?
Thank you for 7.
Okay, 7 over 6. That is the first process. That is what we call as the LCD. The second process is what we call as the butterfly method. Okay. So again, our given here in number 1 is 1/2 plus 2/3. All we need to do is for us to multiply them. Okay, like this one. 3 times 1, what's the answer, anak?
3.
3. And then our operation here is addition. Then you multiply again this one.
4.
2 times 2, that's 4. And then again, multiply the denominator. 2 times 3,
6.
6. And then 3 plus 4,
Oh,
okay, 7 divide over 6. So as you can see here, anak, whether it's LCD or the second one, which is the butterfly method, we still have the same answer, which is 7 over 6. Okay? It depends on you on what kind of method would you like to use. So another one, another example. I'm going to answer here number 2. 8 over 12 plus 8 over 11. Okay. So with this one, again, let's do the skip counting.
No.
LCD. So with 12, that's 12, 24. Okay, 36,
Can skip.
48. What's next? 48 plus 12. 60, 72, 84. What's 84 plus 12?
84 plus 12.
96.
Jumping.
Okay, another one. And then you add another 12 here. That's 108 plus 12, that's 120, plus 12, that is 132. Okay?
Hey,
Kami
this
pala.
happened. No.
Okay.
S.
Another one, 11. Let's try 11. 11, 22, 33,
yes.
33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. What's next? 99 plus 11. 10, carry 1, 100,
Oh,
10. Okay? And then plus 11 again, that's 121. Okay, another 11 again, that's 132.
Oh, wow. Have a heart.
So for this one, it's just a little bit long. Okay?
Oh,
So both of them got the same number, which is 132. Okay? So this one is 132. Then you divide it to 12. So the arrangement 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it's on the 11th place. Okay? And then you multiply it with 8. 11 times 8.
More. More. 8. More.
Okay, 88. And then plus
You
we
want
have here anak for the 11. We need to count how many numbers are there for 132.
more.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Oh,
10, 11, 12.
no.
Okay?
How
So we
about
have here
hard feeling?
12 times 8. What is 12 times 8, anak? 8 times 2.
Are you just meeting?
Sorry, 8 times 2.
Oh, yeah, meeting, no?
Hi, Dara. Okay. 8 times 1. What is
I
8 times 1?
8.
Plus 1?
9.
That's 9.
No,
Okay,
hold on.
96. And then you add it with 82, ay 88, sorry. 8 plus 6, anak.
4.
14, carry 1.
Yeah, I do this.
How about this one? What's the answer? 1 plus 9,
Yeah. Oh, what? 10.
10 plus 8, that's
18.
okay. So we have here 184 over 132. So both of them is even number, anak. Both of them is even number. So therefore, we can divide it again by 2. Let's try. So for this one, this is 92 over
Right there go.
132 divided by 2. How many 2's are there in 13 po?
Right. Okay, guys.
How many 2's are there in 13?
Try, guys. Start the try.
Yes, 13.
Okay.
How many 2's can we get out of 13?
Guys. Try.
Sorry,
Try.
that's 6. Okay, you multiply it with 2.
Yeah. As well.
Okay, then you subtract it with 13.
My best.
That's 1. And then you bring down 2. How many 2's are there in 12, anak?
This is my working. Oh gosh. This is my working.
That's still 6. Then you multiply it with 2. That's 12. Subtract it. Again, we still have here an even number. We can also divide it again for another 2. What is 92 divided by 2? Our fractions should always be in simplified form. Di ba you already know how to do the same in simplifying our fraction? Okay. How many 2's are there in 9?
2. 4.
4. You multiply it with 2.
8.
8. You subtract it with 9.
12.
1 and then bring down 2, so that's 12. How about 12 divided by 2?
1. More.
That's
6. Okay, you multiply it with 2. That's 12. Then you subtract. So the answer here is 46. How about this one? What is 66 divided by 2?
Take off my work. I'm busy. Yes, you know.
How many 2s are there in 6?
Yes.
among 2, so then 6.
Yes.
Go home.
How many 2s are there in 6, anak? Let's try another one. 2 divided by 66. How many 2s are there in 6?
Three.
3. You multiply it with 2. That's 6. And then bring down 6. How many 2s are there in 6? That's again 3. Then you multiply, then subtract. This will become 0. So therefore, our final answer here is 46 over 33. Now,
Wait.
okay, now let's try the butterfly method. Okay, so we have here 8 over 12 plus 8 over 11. So again, what will we do, anak, with this one?
That's a you.
Multiply. The answer is
88.
88. And then plus, and then this 2, multiply again. 12 times 8. 8 times 2. 16, carry 1.
What are you saying?
Okay, that's 9
Yes.
over, multiply this one.
Why do
12 times 11. What is 2 times 1?
that? Go away, boy. This is my
2.
2. 1 times 1.
1.
1. 1 times 2.
2.
2. 1 times 1.
1.
1. Then add. This is 2, 3, 1. 1, 3, 2. And then afterwards, we just need to add the numbers that we can see in our denominator, numerator. So this is 88 plus 96. What is 6 plus 8?
Papers.
Sorry.
14.
14, carry 1. 8
Sorry.
plus 1.
No.
9.
9 plus 9.
18.
Okay, 18. So this is equal to 184 over 132. So as you can see here, anak, we can also divide it by what number? By 2 and 2. So we can divide it both sides by 4. Okay? Let's try. Let's divide them. And let's see if our final answer still the same.
Ew.
Okay. So how many 4s are there in 18?
Joey. Joey.
How many 4s are there in 18?
Favorite ko ngayon.
4, and that is
Gusto mo yun.
16. You subtract it with 18.
2 and 4.
2, and then bring down 4. How many 4s are there in 24?
6.
6. So that's 24. Subtract, this is 0. So this one is 46. Okay. Next one. How many 4s are there in 13?
3.
3. And then if you multiply it, the answer is 12. And then subtract, bring down 2. How many 4s are there in 12 again?
3.
3. Then you multiply it with 4. 12. Subtract, this is 0. So this one, as you can see here, they both have the same answer, which is 46 over 33. So I personally prefer using the butterfly method since that's what we call as the shortcut. But you can also do the LCD if you want to. Okay, so for this one, our answer here is 46 over 33. Okay, let's try another one, anak.
Okay, but Mike.
This is 2 over 7 plus 6 over 10. What method would you like to use in answering this one? Is it the butterfly or the LCD?
Butterfly.
Okay, if it is the butterfly method, what will you do with these numbers?
Multiply.
Okay, the answer is
20.
20. The operation?
The operation?
Yes, what's the operation of 2 over 7 and then 6 over 10? That's addition. Okay, how about this one? What will you do?
Multiply.
Okay, what is 7 times 6?
42.
Okay, very good. Over. What will you do with this one?
Mm,
Multiply again. Okay? Actually, the operation here in butterfly is just all multiply. Okay? And then the next one is we just need to add and then simplify. So 7 times 10, that is 70. Now let's try to add them.
okay.
Hmm. What is 20 plus 42?
82.
62. And then you just need to copy the denominator. And then as you can see here, anak, both of them is what we call as the even numbers. Okay, so you need to divide both sides by 2. What is 62 divided by 2? 62 divided by 2. How many 2's are there in 6?
3.
3. Then you multiply it with 2.
6.
6. How many 2's are there in 2?
1.
1. You multiply it with 2.
2.
2. Then subtract. Okay, so for this one, this is 31 over 70 divided by 2. How many 2's are there in 7?
3.
3, you multiply it with 2.
6.
6, subtract by 7. 1, then you bring down 0. How many 2's are there in 10?
5.
5, you multiply it with 2.
10.
That's 10, then 0. So the final answer here is 31 over 35. Okay, question, Atrea.
No.
Let's try another one, which is number 4. Then you're going to answer number 5, ha?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So 1 over 6 plus 6 over 11. Again, what will you do with these numbers?
Multiply.
Okay, the answer is
s-
11 times 1.
what?
Okay, 11. Then your operation, that's plus. And then what will you do with these numbers? Multiply. The answer is
36.
36 over. What will you do with these numbers?
Multiply.
Multiply. The answer is
Huh?
what's the answer when you multiply 6 and 11?
66.
Okay, very good. That's 66. If you add 11 to 36, the answer is
47.
over.
66.
Okay, very good. So this one is 47 over 66. Okay,
Okay.
let's try another one. Can you please try to answer this one po?
Okay.
Okay, 5 plus 1 half. Write your answer, anak, the process of answering it. Plus,
Plus.
mm,
Died.
okay, 9. Over.
Again. 4 again. Yeah.
Over
Good.
what?
4 again. Ooh. 4 again.
Um,
No. I 4 again.
What's the denominator again? Sorry.
Oh.
What's the denominator?
write it too.
Mm.
Okay. So the answer is
It's
18.
okay, that very good. That's 18.
My friend gave me kickers up.
Shut up.
And then you add the numerator.
19.
Anger, okay? Anger, okay? Anger, okay? Anger, okay?
Hello, Dara.
I'm playing Roblox.
Okay.
What is wrong with you?
A day.
Can you?
Okay, very good. This is correct. 19 over 18. How about this one?
My brain is already burning.
Burning.
Your dad is burning?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Let us first see if our denominator has the same or different numbers. Do they have the same or different numbers?
Because
Denominator.
Dominator?
Yes,
The same.
the same. If they have the same number denominator, what will you do? You just need to copy the denominator and then what will happen to the numerator? You just need to add them.
Add that.
Yes. Mm. What's the final answer?
That's
War.
have
Have
11.
Okay, 11 over
6.
12.
12. Very good.
It's getting easier with the butterfly.
Actually, it is. Next one for number 7. 2 over 7 plus 1/4. Oops, sorry.
8.
Plus 1/4. You try to answer them, anak.
2 times 4.
Mm-mm.
That's 8 plus 7.
Okay.
And
Over.
and then 7 times 4
Mm-mm.
is
It's like I'm not
28.
Very good. That's 28.
Glide.
And then you add the numerator.
One. Thank
Add it.
you.
Okay. Shut up, please, Tara.
Shut up. Oh, me.
Okay, very good. That's the final answer. 15 over 28. Because 3 is not divisible with 28. So
Yeah.
this is 15 over 28. How about this one? 1/4, 6 over 8. Okay, number 8.
I'm joking.
1/4 plus 6 over 8. Oh, at this case naman, anak, all we need to do is for us to simplify first this fraction.
Good. I
How will
did.
you simplify this fraction? Oh, we already studied that. How to simplify 6 over 8. What is the simplest form of this number, anak? What will you do? You need to divide them to their greatest common factor. And what is the greatest common factor of even numbers? I mean, this kind of number. Even numbers can be divided by what number?
Even?
Yes. By what number again? Sorry.
Why are you crying? You want daddy sounds the bathroom.
Even numbers can be divided with what number, anak?
Divided.
Di ba when we're getting the greatest common factor, what will we do po? What are the numbers that you can multiply with 6 numbers, so that the product is equal to 6. So that's 1 and 6,
2
2
and
and
2.
3. Okay. How about 8, anak?
8. Ouch.
1 and 8.
2 and 4.
Okay. So what's their greatest common factor?
2.
2. Okay. So you need to divide both of them by 2. So what is 3 divided by 2? Sorry,
Huh?
what is 6 divided by 2?
3.
3. How about 8 divided by 2?
Huh?
Mm.
3?
Sorry, what is 8 divided by 2?
8 divided by 2?
Yes,
4.
4. What can you say about their denominator?
The same.
The same. If they're the same, what will you do?
Um,
If they already have the same denominator, butterfly method is not anymore applicable. So what will you do now? You just need to, okay, copy the denominator.
you that. Shut up, Dara. Who's Dada?
And then, what will happen to the numerator, anak? You just need to add. Okay, add.
Oh my god. Dara.
Mm.
I can't stop laughing because of Adara, guys.
Mm.
Shut up.
1 plus 3, that's over.
You. Shut up.
Mm. How many fours are there in 4, anak?
Huh?
How many fours are there in 4?
1.
1. So very good. The answer there is equal to 1. Okay. Let's try this one. 4 over 10, 4 over 5.
4 over 10, 4 over 5.
Mm. Mm.
Okay.
What will you do?
What's splash?
Mm.
Equal 20 plus 40. And ground. Okay, Dara. Dara. This. Dara. Dara's distracting me.
Mhm. What will you do with the denominator, anak, the 10 and 5?
Divide?
Multiply.
Okay. 50.
Mm. 50. Okay, very good. And then,
And then add it.
yeah.
80 over
Mm. 20 plus 40. What's 20 plus 40? 2 plus 4.
Oh yeah, 6.
Okay, and both of them can be divided by what number, anak? Both of them ends with 0, so they are divisible by what number? By, what do you think? They are the skip counting of what number? They are the skip counting of what number? Both of them ends with 0. So what one number that ends with 0? They are multiples of, is it a multiples of 1, by 2, by 3,
10,
by
10,
by
10.
10? Okay, so both of them can be divided by 10. You divide them by 10.
10.
Yes, over 10.
Both of them, right?
Yes, that's correct. Equals, what is 60 divided by 10? How,
60. Wait, what?
mm-mm. How many tens are there in 60?
6.
6, very good.
10.
How about the denominator?
That's 5.
5, very good.
All the time when I think, it's just my brain.
Okay, for this one, anak, as you can see here in number 9, this is 4 over 10, okay? So both of them are also divisible by 2, so you can divide it first. Let's try if we're going to have the same answer. 4 divided by 2, that's 2. 10 divided by 2, that's 5. And then I'm going to add it with, this now becomes 2 over 5 plus 4 over 5. Both of them do have the same denominator. So copy the denominator, add the numerator. So they have the same answer. Okay? So let's
Okay.
continue this one, anak. After 3 minutes break, I'm going to call you again. Good job, Atria. Bye-bye.
Bye.